Hello, my name's Leonardo Martinez at Legendary Beads in Austin. Today we're going to make body jewelry. I'm going to make a waist lariat, taking 6 inches of wire, clipping that, 4 inches on one, 2 inches on the other. First, you'd like to make the main bead. What I do, like you have a splinter, hold the tip, roll it over, making a little chuck. Put it through the end of your bead, taking your round nose, hold right above your stone, attaching your wire, and folding your wire around the round nose, making your coil. Now we're going to attach the clasp, taking about 1.25 inches, attaching the other side of the chain, preferably about 3.5, however long you'd like it, connecting your wire to your chain, adding we're using amethyst today, little amethyst bead, and about 2 wraps worth on the other side. Attach your clasp, going around your round nose and around the wire. Connecting that and attaching to the other side. Now, if you want to embellish that, you can take little beads. We'll take your round nose pliers, hold it right above your bead, about 1 fingernail's worth. Lock it in, find your place on your chain, hold down. Hold the chain so the chain doesn't roll over. Hold tip to tip. Pull down around the bar and then around the wire. Last step, push your bead down, straightens your loop. Snip, snip in. And this is how we make body jewelry.